Can we have extra tail?
Okay, you want extra tail?
Yeah.
You want the eyes taken out, or you want the legs chopped up, or how hard do you want it? Do you want
Legs, no hands.
No, send us with the eyeballs extra spicy.
extra spicy? Sure, we'll do extra spicy. You want the inside organs taken out together, make it into soup? You want the soup?
No, keep the inside organs inside the animal.
Inside with that? What did you say?
Yes, inside. Can you stuff the cat with rice?
Yeah, sure. You want like fried rice, like the number 2 fried rice, right?
Inside the cat. Yes.
Okay.
Just like that. Okay. I gotta get more of an order from my group. I'll call you right back.
Okay.
Oh my God! What did you just order?
Did you tape all that?
Yes, I did.
Cat.
Would you? Did you just order cat?
Yeah.
Wait, let's do that. Really? You really just ordered cat?
Yes.
That's disgusting.
Number 2 house special.